Let's go. So we are now going for the trip of our life, yeah? Yeah, be careful. Yeah, you have to. Yeah, you know, be careful. She can go herself. Yeah.
Nice rose bush.
Yeah. Let Ali go at the front.
Yeah, Ali, go on the front. Yeah, so this is typical jungle.
I'm already take off that slipper and walk barefooted instead.
Move the socks.
Okay, so we can record. This is the normal road or everyday road for.
Put that juice bottle in there.
Yeah, give me, I will take it. Okay.
You're gonna be down the bottom of the
So you are walking every day here, this way,
What
yeah?
you giving her that for?
But that's her shoe.
She will not be able to walk in that donkey. That will strip her.
No, she'll be fine. Go, go, go.
Just watch your step. Take your time.
Yeah.
I took it because they
Try making steps for your own.
You want the stick, Karen?
Oh no, I'm okay.
Bro, can you cut the stick for?
Huh? If you guys want to stick?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can follow, it's okay.
It's okay, it's okay, I'm alright.
We keep balance. They still hold, you know.
Now I understand why he say it's not good to walk when it's wet.
Yeah.